What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Invest in Wealth channel. Today's video, we're going to be doing a quick little portfolio update here. Portfolio sitting at $141,040. We've dropped quite a bit this past month from our highs at $147,000, but there are some good buying opportunities in the market right now. Back on Friday, I did do quite a few trades, so let's hop right into those. Starting off, I did sell the rest of my Go Easy position. I was up about 25%, so I just trimmed off the rest of my small position there. So that gave us a little bit of money to go ahead and buy some more VFV in the non-registered account. As well, we did trim off the rest of the ZWC Canadian Dividend Covered Call ETF. I sold the rest of my position there just to free up some cash. This ETF kind of didn't see a lot of growth with this. So I did go ahead and buy some individual holdings with this cash. So went ahead and bought 10 or 5 Royal Bank shares there. Picked up some more HYLD, 8 more shares there. Did pick up 5 more shares of Bank of Nova Scotia. This is my third largest holding in my portfolio. Bought some more Allied Properties. This is my only REIT that I hold in my portfolio. I love this REIT. So we got 15 more shares there. CNR, picked up that for kind of a long-term growth stock. I don't own too much of this, but picked up 4 more shares. And then we did buy Enbridge at 46.80. So dollar cost averaging into this position still. This price is just way too attractive not to be picking up shares at, in my opinion, for a good long-term hold. As well as the dividend is, I think, about 7.5%. So can't really go wrong buying up more Enbridge. Then our last trade in the non-registered account did pick up 20 more shares of TXF. This is my largest holding in my portfolio, and they are paying out a dividend at the end of September. So I'm looking to probably pick up a few more shares before the ex-dividend date there. As of now, they pay 8.88%. So this stock pays me about just over $3,000 a year in dividends, which is awesome. Completely passive income. Don't have to lift a finger. Last week, we did see the big banks had their earnings. Some of the big banks, Royal Bank, beat its estimates. So that boosted the stock a bit there. And then I went ahead and dropped a little bit more on Friday. Looking to build up this position. About a 4.4% yield. For growth, this is definitely the bank you want to be buying here in Canada. I don't own as much as I would like to. Kind of heavy with Bank of Nova Scotia and TD. But TD as well had its earnings and it didn't look very good. It was down about 2.5%. I didn't buy any more shares of TD. I'm kind of wait to see on Tuesday what Bank of Nova Scotia does. I got about $900 here loaded up. If Bank of Nova Scotia dips on its earnings, I'll be definitely picking up some more shares here. But I'm going to be watching this extremely closely. On Tuesday, the 29th, they are releasing their earnings. So that'll be exciting. I have absolutely no idea what's going to happen. TD dropped 2.5%. Royal Bank was up about 1.5%. So I can't even predict what Bank of Nova Scotia is going to do. But I would love to see a big jump there on Tuesday. That would really help out my portfolio a lot, as this is my third largest holding. In the month of August, we haven't really been getting too much income from dividends here. This quarter or this month is kind of where I don't get many quarterly dividend paying stocks. I only get Royal Bank here, which is a small amount. But next month in September, it'll be a huge month. Probably be around $1,700 to $2,000 worth of dividends. So that's going to be very exciting. September 1st, which is coming up soon, Enbridge will be paying out their dividends, and I own a whole lot of those shares. So definitely stay tuned to see what I'm going to be reinvesting in, as well as, like I was saying before, TXF is paying out their dividends next month there as well at the end. So that'll be some major income. I'm always excited to see how much per share that they're paying, because it does kind of jump around quite a bit. But I am expecting it to be better than last time. They are up. They had a very good run here last 3 months in the last year, so hopefully see a big increase in a dividend. But other than that, TXF has been very steady growth the last year, as the Nasdaq has really kind of popped off in this whole AI boom, as I should say. But looking at the sectors, tech makes up about 25% of my overall portfolio, which for the long run I'm really excited about. We do own the big companies like Apple, Google, all in that ETF, so that is very exciting. I am looking to increase my straight up Apple shares. I just added this to my position last week. I am in the process of converting some money to US, then depositing it into my US non-registered account here. So I do believe Apple will probably hit its highs here, if not maybe the 220 range by the end of this year. So I'm looking to load up on shares here. Definitely one of my favorite stocks for holding long term. It is the final trading week of August. Stock futures are higher to start off the week, but this was a very tough month for us here in our portfolio. We are down about $6,000 from its highs. It mainly because of earnings season and the problems with the China's economy. We don't really know too much what's going on there, but really looking forward to this week with the Bank of Nova Scotia earnings on Tuesday, and I'm very excited for next month. We're going to get receiving a lot of dividend income, so stay tuned for that to see how I reinvest that. I makes a couple more tweaks in my portfolio. I'm pretty happy where it is at now, but it could always use some work. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something new, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.